when someone insults you on your face, and what is the most practical way that you can calm yourself down and smile and move on? It feels too hard, so I would be happy to have your advice on this matter. Jazakumullah khairan.
Wa jazakum. You have one of two choices. One is to retaliate. So one says to you, you're stupid. Islam permits that you say, you are stupid, without transgression, without saying, no, you and your family and your loved ones and everyone you know. No, this is transgression. Hold your horses. If someone transgresses against you, you may retaliate in the same level. This is your right in Islam. And if you forgive and pardon, that's a higher degree. So choice one, to retaliate. Choice two is shrug your shoulders and move on. And this is exactly what the Prophet ﷺ used to do. He used to forgive and pardon. And wise people do this. Umar ibn al-Khattab was once in his court, and he's the caliph. And I think Uyayna ibn Hisn al-Fazari asked permission to enter and speak. So his nephew allowed or interceded and allowed him in. So the moment he walked in, he said, "Oh, Umar, you're this and you're that," and he started insulting him, that he doesn't give enough time for the people and he doesn't divide equally among them, and as if he's saying you're unjust and unfair. Umar was outraged, and we know that he was a strong person, and he was not the soft type. So he was outraged. The nephew of this man, who was a man of knowledge and a scholar, he told him and calmed him down. And he said, Allah says in Surah Al-A'raf, خُذِ الْعَفْوَ وَأْمُرْ بِالْعُرْفِ وَأَعْرِضْ عَنِ الْجَاهِلِينَ. خُذِ الْعَفْوَ, take whatever is more than what the people need, what they give willingly, and order with what's common and known among the people, among the norm, and ignore the ignorance. And this man, he's referring to his uncle, is among the ignorance, O Caliph, O Amir al-Mu'mineen. Immediately Umar calmed down. Why? Because he always limited himself to the Qur'an and the Sunnah, never to exceed that or go beyond it. He follows only the Qur'an and the Sunnah. So whenever someone insults you, akhi, always put yourself in the Prophet's shoes, alayhi salatu wasalam. How would he react? He would pardon and forgive. He would not go down to the level of these ignorance. And I tell people usually, if you're walking and a dog starts to bark, would you fall on your hands and knees and bark back? Of course not. You just walk away. So don't pay attention to what these abusive people say or do, because all what they want is to get a negative reaction, depress you, provoke you, or sadden you. And this is what they want. So don't let them achieve their objective.